Hello, welcome to The New Sound. Today we'll explore what the playhead is and how it relates to the music we make. In music production, the playhead is an important tool. It's represented by a vertical line that moves across the screen in your digital audio workstation. The playhead's primary function is to indicate the current playback or recording position of your session. As your music plays or records, the playhead moves in real time, showing you exactly where you are in the track. Navigating with the playhead is simple. You can click anywhere in your timeline to instantly move the playhead to that position. This makes it easy to jump to different parts of your music for editing and playback. The playhead is essential for precise editing. Use it to make exact cuts, align tracks, or set the start and end points for your loops. The accuracy of the playhead ensures that your edits are precise and in sync with your music. The playhead is a simple and useful tool that you can use to greatly enhance your workflow and impact what you can do with your music. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.